quarter of a century since African nations started achieving independence, we have witnessed that changes other than by following the country's constitution have taken place. The people of the countries concerned have shown patience and given a chance to leaders who emerge in this way, but the results have not been encouraging. The main cause of this is the neutralization of the vital institutions of the state by the excessive promotion of the personality cult by the incumbent leaders, which should not really be the case. The other cause of the problem is ideology, which has tended to pull the whole continent apart. Witness the difficulties the OAU is experiencing is putting into effect the ideals for which it was formed. Here, I'm referring to foreign interference in the domestic politics of African countries as a means of furthering their own interests. I know this kind of interference will continue because of the foreign interests involved. In the circumstances, the only way to achieve stability is to inculcate nationalism, and very strong nationalism. Secondly, to have a strong political party